Marketing on social media can feel so overwhelming, and not to mention marketing on the largest social network in the world. I totally can understand your pain and how you're feeling right now. It's pretty intimidating. And this is why when I personally decided to look into Facebook as an app to potentially use to market my business, I had to think hard, like really, really hard. The good news is you can successfully use this app, Facebook that is, without spending a dime, and curate like-minded people around you that want to do business with you. And yes, you can find your clients. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use your personal Facebook profile page to market your business. And make sure you stay till the end so you can get all three of my tips. So what does marketing on Facebook organically even mean? The short answer, you're not paying for ads to get reach. The long answer, you will be intentionally creating content so that you invite people to connect with you on a deeper level. But my personal profile is too personal for business, Martine, is what you are probably thinking right now. And weird emotions that we cannot describe are triggering inside of you when the thought of your cousin and cousin's girlfriend finds out about your business. Yes, I get it. I know. Been there too. What are we going to do here? Well, today, the reality is you have a wonderful business, the last time I checked. And with that, you have the opportunity to turn your Facebook profile into your digital business card on this app and provide your services. Think of it as your new LinkedIn profile page. I know what you're thinking about right now. We were supposed to talk about Facebook, now I'm talking about LinkedIn. Hold on. So what does that mean? What I'm trying to tell you here is the fact that it's time for you to switch your mindset from
my Facebook profile is only to share pictures of my cute cat and connect with my high school friends
to my Facebook profile page is now a business card so I can connect with potential clients and great business partners. So basically what we're seeing here, we're looking at our Facebook profile page as a professional page, great to meet you page, let's do business handshake page is basically what it is now. All right, I gotta dive in a little bit more with you. I know you're getting excited. Yes, you're gonna get business from your profile page on Facebook. So I'm gonna give you 2 tips truly that you are going to need to implement in order for you to market efficiently using your Facebook profile. Number 1, you're gonna focus on engaging inside other Facebook group communities. And number 2, you're gonna be very strategic when it comes to your friends' requests on the app. Let me explain. When you interact inside Facebook group communities, you are most likely interacting with your profile page. Let's pretend for a second that you leave an amazing, amazing comment inside a Facebook group community. I'm talking super awesome value. What is going to happen? Well, most likely the other members are going to take notice, not only the member that asked the question, but everybody else. And the next step after that, what's going to happen, you think? They're going to come and check your profile out and say, who in the world left this great value? What's going to happen next? A friend's request is going to come your way. This connection could potentially be a new client, or it could even be a new business connection that's going to open up reach for you to have even more possibilities to grow your business. Now is the time to start to be really careful as to who you're accepting as friends and who you're not accepting as friends, because your personal profile page now, it's critical that you engage with it in a way to tell the algorithm on Facebook that you are in business. And so I encourage you to look at your Facebook friends requests strategically. Yes, you are definitely want to be aware, is this someone that I could serve with my business? And you also want to ask yourself, is this a great business collaboration, right? So 2 things we're looking for: potential buyers and business collaboration. All in all, listen, I'm gonna leave you with this. only because I've been there. I used to be very concerned about using my profile page on Facebook for business, but I can guarantee you, with strategic thinking and following what we talked about, you will be successful and you will be able to use this page organically and actually grow your business. If you want to leverage your personal profile page, watch this video here so that you can learn the 3 tips that I have for you. And watch this video here because YouTube really thinks you're gonna like it. Thanks so much for watching.